Hey guys, welcome back to Game Reviews. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and setup of DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So let's get on with it. Let's see what inside this little box. Let me open this up. Yeah, there it is. And here we have the USB-C charging cable. Remind you, this is a USB-C charging cable for this device. Earlier one was a micro USB cable. Then we have this tag where we can use it on the device, and then some grip stickers, maybe I don't know exactly what these are. And then we have the stand. Because I bought the combo pack, that's why we got the stand and the box with the device, so it looks nice. It has DJI branding on it. Now let's look at the main device, how it looks like. Let me open this up. Here we go, and there it is. It is quite smaller than the Osmo Mobile 2. We will have a little bit of comparison between the sizes of the Mobile 2 and the Mobile 3 versions. We will see how smaller the Mobile 3 is as compared to the Mobile 2. Here we go. You see, Mobile 3 is quite smaller, almost half smaller than the Mobile 2 version. One major difference in the software department in DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is that here we have to use the DJI Mimo app instead of the DJI Go app, which we had to use in the Osmo Mobile 2 version. The DJI Mimo app is much more crisper and cleaner than the previous app. Let's set up the device now. Let me put on the stand first so that the device can stand on its own. It's quite ironic. This is how it is put up, and now it can stand on its own. And to open the device, you have to pull it up from the side and from the top, and that's how it opens up. The balancing mechanism is a bit different from the Osmo Mobile 2 version. The phone camera should be facing the DJI logo here. Let us just mount the phone and see how it has to be done. Let me mount the phone here, and we have to balance the phone every time we mount it, unlike the previous version where it remembers the setup and you don't have to balance the phone again and again. In this case, you have to balance the phone again and again every time you mount it. And let us turn the gimbal on and see how it looks. It is balanced now. Yeah, let me turn it on. There we go, and there it is. So default, it starts with the vertical mode, and then you have to press the M button twice or the start button twice so that it will move into landscape mode. Let's see how it is done. Kit. Yeah, and it's into landscape mode. That's how it is done. Let me open up the device and launch the Mimo app, DJI Mimo app. There it is. Yeah, here you have to log into your account. You need to have a DJI account. I need to log into that account. There you go. And once you log in, the system will detect the DJI gimbal and then connect with the gimbal. There we go, and then it opens up. There you see, and then you can move into portrait or landscape mode as you want. And we have seen that this gimbal has better tracking than the previous gimbal. Let me just give you a show here. Just tracking the Buddha, and there you see the system can track the Buddha. It's quite fast than the previous versions. So guys, that's all. That's the first impressions on DJI Osmo Mobile 3. We will talk to you with an in-depth review later on.